New from Woodpeckers, the M2 box clamps. They're like having an extra pair of hands. With our M2 box clamps, you can glue up or dry fit any 90-degree joint quickly and easily and know your joint is square. They quickly adjust for use with material ranging in thickness from a 1/4 inch to a full 1 inch. And with a twist of the knob or a turn of a hex key, depending on your clamping application, provides ample torque to tighten the clamp, square your stock, and secure the joint. The M2 is molded using a nearly indestructible glass fiber-filled polycarbonate, and because it's molded, allows us to add 4 parallel tracks embedded in the base of the clamp. They mate with 4 rows of teeth on the adjustment wedge. When locked in place, the adjustment wedge becomes a perfectly square bevel for the clamping wedge to work against. And all it takes is a few turns of an Allen wrench to lock it in place. The clamping wedge, with its simple beveled design, moves in 3 different directions at once. With a turn of a bolt or twist of a knob, the clamping wedge, with its new stainless steel rectangular plate, provides even clamping pressure to push the material down against the base and island walls, applying an enormous amount of clamping force. And the clamping wedge automatically adjusts sideways for different size material thicknesses, like clamping a 3/4 inch drawer front to a 1/2 inch drawer side. Woodpecker's M2 box clamp now has an easy setup feature with 3 common stock thickness dimensions: 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 of an inch. Now you can quickly adjust our box clamp to fit your stock dimensions in seconds. Just align the back edge of the adjustment wedge with the thickness dimension needed and lock it in place. Slide the clamping wedge against the adjustment wedge and position your stock in the clamp. Now just tighten the clamping wedge to square and lock your stock in place. It's that simple. The unique space-saving open design of the M2 offers more dead-true clamping surface than other comparable clamps. Its open design lets you easily drill, screw, or nail along the full length of your joint. And it works great on butt joints, miters, dados, rabbets, half-blind, and through dovetails.
Okay, this is our straight edge clamp. As I mentioned before, it's an easy way to put a straight edge onto a piece of wood to make a straight cut with your circular saw or your router. The way it works, back jaw slides, front jaw is fixed, that locks it tighter. To use it, you just set it against the fixed jaw, pull up the back until it clicks. Pull it up until it clicks, and then pull down on the lever. That locks it so you can make a straight cut. All of our clamps work the same way. We make them 12 inches to 12 feet. They all have this exact same clamp. Back jaw slides, front jaw is fixed. This side doesn't move.
My name's Danny Tawney and I work for Manor Bros Home Improvement. I've been in this business for coming up on 18 years. There is no normal in remodeling. I mean, every day you're doing something different. My first impression of the 20-volt circ saw was that it actually has a 7 1/4 inch blade. I feel completely comfortable doing any large project without having to use a cord because you're confident that the battery will last. The runtime is probably the most impressive thing because it does last a really long time, and not just for the amount of trigger pulls, but when you're doing long rip cuts, you know it's going to go through. The brake on it is awesome. That's the big one for me. I am currently in the 20-volt system right now. Having this is perfect. I used the DeWalt table saw, I used the miter box, all of their drills, the reciprocating saw, their oscillating saw. Oh, this is a 10 out of 10. I feel comfortable with the saw on any job that I'm doing.
Introducing the Centipede Sawhorse, the ultimate lightweight portable work system that sets up instantly to support just about anything, from the job site to around the home, and anywhere else more space is needed.
In 1878, Leroy Starrett invented the combination square. Now, since then, the L.S. Starrett Company has manufactured millions of these. To my way of thinking, this is one of the most versatile measuring tools you can have. Perhaps the most common use of the combination square is to mark a straight line perpendicular to the edge of a board. The tool also makes it simple to draw lines parallel to the edge of a board. Moving the head a set distance will create multiple lines that are spaced an equal distance apart. Using a combination square makes it quick and easy to lay out a rectangle with specific dimensions. Or mark a continuous line around four sides of a post or beam for accurate cutting. By replacing the combination square's standard head with a center head, it's possible to quickly and accurately find the center of a circle or the center of a dowel or rod. Power miter saws are great work and time savers. However, they can go out of calibration, producing crosscuts that are not precisely 90 degrees. The combination square can be used to verify and, if necessary, recalibrate the saw and to check the resulting cut.
Introducing the Milwaukee M12 cordless high-performance jigsaw, the most compact high-performance jigsaw in the market. The innovative hybrid grip design combines the best features of top handle and barrel grip style jigsaws to deliver maximum control. The variable speed trigger provides fast and controlled cutting. The saw also features a Milwaukee Quick Lock T-shank blade clamp that offers fast and easy blade changes, and a 45-degree tool-free bevel capacity with 90-degree positive lock for increased versatility. The fully counterbalanced mechanism minimizes vibration, delivering smooth cuts. Features include an LED light, a battery fuel gauge, and a non-marring shoe for work with finish material. And the tool is compatible with the Red Lithium Compact or XC high-capacity battery for increased productivity. For power